Would you like some snow cones?
Sure. Very oh my goodness, that's bad.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Magic!
I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 10 magic pranks for summer.
Lay back, 'cause it's summertime.
Here's a colorful magic prank perfect for a summer day. Check it out.
Okay, watch. I'm gonna take the bottle of soda, just pour a little drink. And just like that, the drinks all magically change colors. Like a rainbow of drinks. Very good. Oh my goodness, that's bad. Oh, look at all of it. Oh gosh, we need paper towels, a lot of paper towels. This is, oh god.
Want to know the secret? Here's how it's done.
The secret to this one is super simple. All you have to do is have a different colored food coloring in every one of the cups. Let me show you. So you're just gonna put a couple drops of each color in the bottom of each of the cups. Pink, yellow, green, blue, red, purple, orange, and a shade of neon green. Once you have all the food coloring drops in the bottom of the cups, you can put these aside. You won't need them anymore. Your next step in the process is to line all the cups up, and you'll need some ice. The ice is going to provide some nice cover and obstruct the audience's view of it in the bottom of the cup, so it looks like the soda just magically changes colors as we pour it. Fill each cup close to the same amount of ice. Your next step is to grab some lemon lime soda. Now once you're all set up, all you have to do is pour the soda into the different cups, and as it pours, it will mix with the food coloring and look like the soda is just magically changing colors in every cup that is poured in. Super fun party trick to do this summer. You can pass these out to your friends and family to drink. It's totally harmless because it's just food coloring. It's a nice, colorful, and sweet summer magic prank that you can do at home right now. Very oh my goodness, that's bad. Oh, look at all of it. Oh gosh, we need paper towels, a lot of paper towels. This is, oh.
And that is the secret of the magic color-changing soda. Here's a fun prank to help your friend chill out on a hot day.
Would you like some snow cones?
Sure.
The setup behind this one is super simple. Here's how to pull it off yourself.
The secret behind setting this up is our magic punch cone available at evaneratv.com. It's got a little button right here that just makes it pop out just like that. Then gonna take a styrofoam cup that you would use for a snow cone. Then gonna pop the ice cream cone right down through just like that. You wanna make sure that button is popping out of the bottom so you can easily just press it right like that. Your next step is to get some shaved ice. Perfect treat in the summertime. You're just gonna take your shaved ice and put it right on top of the cone. Now once you have the shaved ice packed into the cup, your next step is to add some simple syrup. Then all you have to do is push the button and the foam ball will propel the shaved ice out of the cup and all over your spectator.
And that is how you do the magic snow cone surprise. Here's a fun one that's sure to freak people out at the beach this summer. Check it out.
Here's a lovely bucket of beach sand that I've been eating.
Want some? Good. Try some.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this prank is extremely simple. I'll teach you how it's done right now.
The first thing you're gonna need for this prank are some shortbread cookies. Next, you'll need a plastic bag or a blender to crush them up. As you crush the shortbread cookies, they'll begin to look a whole lot like beach sand. Then you can take a plastic sand bucket and fill it with your crushed up cookies.
And just like that, you've now got your sand bucket filled with your edible fake sand. Just crushed up cookies, totally safe to eat. So next time you're at the beach, you can bring a bag of this with you. Then you can just act like you're hanging out on the beach, building a sand castle. Take your sand shovel and take a bite. And that is the secret of the edible beach sand prank. Okay, here's an amazing food prank that you can pull off at home right now. Okay, check this out. Watch the banana.
And just like that, the banana will magically reveal its hidden message.
Here's the secret to making a message magically appear on a banana.
Your first step is to get a banana. Your second step is to get a safety pin or a sewing needle. If you're a kid, you're gonna need an adult supervision for this part. And before the trick starts, you're gonna carve your message into the side of the banana. In this case, we're just gonna write banana. So you just lightly go over the skin of the banana like this. Once you have the word carved in, you can set this down, and the skin of the banana will begin to naturally turn color where you've carved
the name or the message that you want to reveal. Wait for somebody to come up and find it, and it looks like a message has just magically revealed itself on the side of the fruit. And that is the secret of the magic fortune-telling fruit prank. Here's another fun and easy summer prank with fruit. Check it out. Hey, Ava, I have a watermelon slice. Would you like it?
Yes, it's so hot outside today.
Oh, it's hollow.
You can do this one at home with just a little bit of preparation. Here's how to set it up.
First things first, you're gonna get a watermelon and slice it up. Your first step is to remove the top of the watermelon. You're then gonna cut it into quarter slices just like this. So this is what you wanna start with. Now the next thing you'll need is a spoon. We're gonna use the spoon to scoop out the inside of the watermelon slice so that we're left with a completely hollow shell of a melon. Gonna use the spoon to lightly cut around the edges just like this. And we're just gonna hollow it out just like this. Just continue scooping out the inside of the watermelon until it's completely hollow and you just have these walls still intact like this. So from this angle it looks completely normal, like a full slice of melon. They go to take a bite and they're left completely disappointed in this summer snack. So now that it's totally hollowed out, you're ready to prank your mark. Looking at them from this angle, it's completely impossible to tell the difference between your gimmick hollow watermelon and a real slice. Can you tell the difference? And that is how you do the hollow watermelon prank. Okay, this next one is our how-to magic trick of the week. Our trick of the week is brought to you by Laugh at Life. Head over to shoplaughatlife.com. The link is in the description. Grab some cool merch. Spread the Laugh at Life message of positivity with some fun sunglasses for summer, a lot of colorful t-shirts and fun gear. So if you know someone who loves to laugh and enjoy this thing we call life, head over to the shop. The link is in the description down below. Here's a mind-blowing magic prank perfect to do at a summer picnic. Check it out. This one's so easy that anyone can do it. Here's an explanation of how it's done. Here's what you need to pull off this trick. First things first, you're going to need some colorful mouth coils. These are available on the Evanera TV shop right now, so check out the link in the description if you want to pick some up and pull this off at home. It's also a special giveaway at the end of this video. So they come in packs of 5, and here's how they work. All you do is pull the middle out of the coil. As you can see, there's different layers of the colored paper. So it's like a colored paper streamer that's all coiled up like this. That's why it's called a mouth coil. So it starts right here in the middle with the white paper, and you're just gonna begin pulling that out gently. Just get it started just like that. Then you wanna tear off the end and kind of twist it like this so that you have something to grab onto. You're gonna start out the trick with the mouth coil in your mouth from the very beginning before the trick starts. You wanna make sure your audience doesn't see you do this. So once you have the mouth coil inside your mouth hidden from the audience, you present the straw, you remove the wrapper, ball it up, and then you place the straw wrapper in your mouth. You can kind of tuck the wrapper of the straw into your cheek, leaving your fingers free to pinch the end of the mouth coil just like this and begin pulling it out. And as you pull, the coiled paper will begin to unravel, and it looks like the straw paper has just magically turned into like a never-ending color-changing magic paper streamer. Changes from red to yellow to green, green to orange, orange to purple, purple to a lime green, and then finally to a pink color, and then back to white. Super amazing and really easy to do magic prank that you can pull off this summer. And that is the secret of the magic never-ending straw wrapper prank. Here's a fun do-it-yourself magic trick that you can do at home right now. Convince your friends you have psychic powers. Check it out. So I cut the zipper off a bag. Check this out. Straight up and down, right? Watch the plastic. The secret to this one is right at your fingertips. The explanation is coming up next. Okay, all you need to pull this one off is a pair of scissors and a zipper seal bag. So all you're gonna do is cut the plastic zipper off of the bag just like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now all you have to do to make the piece of plastic bend is simply move your fingers back and forth just like this. So if you want it to bend towards you, all you have to do is kind of slowly press your thumb down just like that, and it looks like it slowly bends towards you. If you want it to bend the opposite direction, just simply
pull down with your index finger. It's a small, slight movement in the fingers, so your audience won't notice it, because the movement of the plastic is much bigger than the movement of the fingers. So as long as you keep it slow, it's just a gradual push down with the thumb. And just curl over just like that. It's really cool. Super easy to do. You can kind of hold your fingers like this to hide the motion of the thumb right there. And as you let off, it'll pop back up. Hold it straight up, watch. No strings attached. And that is how you create the illusion of bending plastic with your mind. Here's a classic challenge for your next summer cookout. So we have over 1,000 rubber bands here. We've got our watermelon. We're about halfway through this process. We're gonna keep putting the bands on. Cue the time lapse. Crazy thing about this challenge is you have no idea when it's going to explode. Could be at any moment. It looks like it's starting to press in on it right now. Like, we're getting there. We're also doing like 5 or 6 rubber bands at a time. It's taking a lot more than I expected. It's a ticking time bomb.
Come on.
Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, it's like we almost had a little bit of warning.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was awesome. That was exactly as advertised. That works perfect. Here's the other half of the melon. That's fantastic. Take a little, Look at the carnage. Where's the rubber band ball? There it is. Wow.
It traveled all the way out here.
That's awesome. It rolled a good 10 feet. And that is how you do the watermelon rubber band challenge. Here's a colorful prank sure to brighten up any sunny afternoon. Check it out. Oh my gosh, what happened? The rainbow on my windshield. What is that? Oh my gosh, it's the rainbow. Super simple setup. Here's what you'll need to pull it off at home. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need to set this up. These are oil pastels. So you wanna take a nice rainbow assortment. Your next step is to remove all the wrappers from the pastels. Your next step is to position the pastels right underneath the windshield wiper blades. A nice touch if you can do them in the order of the rainbow. And this works best on a hot, sunny summer day so that it instantly starts to melt the pastels. Now your next step is to turn on the windshield wipers inside the car with the car off. So that next time they start the vehicle, the windshield wiper will automatically turn on and smear their window with a surprise magic rainbow. And cleanup is as simple as wiping it down with some glass cleaner. And that is how you do the magic rainbow windshield prank. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it. Head over to our shop at the link in the description, evaneraTV.com. A lot of cool magic tricks and pranks you can do this summer. We do have our ice cream punch cones and the magic mouth coils available on the shop right now. So if you want to pick up either of those so you can pull these pranks off on your own, check out the link down below. If you have an Instagram account, go follow me on Instagram at Evan Rosenman, posting a lot of cool pictures and video there as well. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. So if you want to win anything from the video, hit the comment section and leave a comment. Today's keyword is summer. Leave as many comments as you want down below. The more comments you leave, the better your chances of winning. Also, be sure to hit the thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Alright guys, it's time to announce our giveaway winners from the last How To Magic video. The winners are right here on the screen. Send a private email to this email address on the screen with your full mailing address and the video that you won your prize from. Good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing, and thank you to everyone who entered our last giveaway drawing. Be sure to slap the thumbs up on the video and leave a comment down below.
There's an incident. Holy Lord. Very well.
Oh my goodness, that's bad. Really
Dry. Yeah.
yeah, parches you instantly. Oh, look at all of it. Oh gosh, we need paper towels, a lot of paper towels. Oh wow. That was awesome. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, it's right over there. The world premiere of 10 magic tricks around the world is this Wednesday, July 25th. Be on the lookout for that. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.